Okay, I guys got to this job here and I'm putting in an opener. I'm actually changing out that motor head. You see it on the floor over here? And I'm changing the same opener right here. They had a power surge and the keypad's not working. They had some new electrical put in here, but they said they had a power surge from PG&E recently, so they should be getting compensated back from PG&E. So we're going ahead and changing it out for $2,195. I'm gonna give him a little credit so he can get some of the money that I came out here before back. I'm gonna go ahead and start. See, I'm not gonna change the rail. I have the rail here. I'm gonna go ahead and just change out the motor head. And what time is it now? Time is 2:45 right here. And I will go ahead and show you the time when I'm done. I'm gonna go kind of slow on this one, but you'll see how long it takes to do this. And I'm probably gonna make around 1,800 and something clear. Okay. Okay, I got the motor in, new motor's in. The old one's over there on my truck. Time is 3:09. It's taken me 24 minutes so far. This is about as hard of work you're gonna be doing. Tightening up the belt with an open end wrench. You know, my hands not dirty, not really dirty. Yeah, that one didn't work. I'll just give you another new one. So this one worked. That one I couldn't even program.
Is this the one we had?
Yeah, it wasn't working. So it doesn't have the clip on it either. So.
Okay. So we'll just toss this, right?
Yeah, you don't need it. It didn't work. I couldn't get it to program, but this one's programming. And then I could do your car. You sure the car was programmed before? The visor one worked before? Okay.
I've been using it.
No, I just wanted to be sure. Okay, now I just need to get prepared here. I got to get in there and do it. Okay, let me get my ladder again. They only give you 30 seconds from when you do it, so I got to get prepared. Okay. All right, let's see. The time, 3:52. There's a check, $1,865. And that was for the garage door opener. I gave her a discount. And that's all she wrote. My advice to you is take the course, learn this trade, and you can do the same thing. I feel good. You know, some people are working all week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even a month to get that. So I do it in basically 1 hour's work. And are my hands dirty? No, my hands aren't dirty. But, you know, if people, you know, we've gotten calls where, you know, they're mixed on whether they want to take our course because it's an online course, you know, the course that we offer. And the online course is incredible, actually. We have so many people that have gotten into this business. They've called me. We're actually going to be filming the first woman that took the course, and she's going to be doing her first job coming up here. She's going to start marketing herself. She's getting all her truck ready and her tools and all that, and she's all happy to go out there. She said she's a little nervous, but she wants to go out and she's anxious to start, you know, doing the repairs. So even women now are taking our course. We never thought women, you know, would be interested in this, but it seems like women want to do this as well. They see how much money you make, and I guess it's not very easy to make money doing anything else like this and not working very hard. So this is a great trade. You know, people going to school. I had a guy last week said he feels like he's wasting his time going to school because most people that go to school, they end up being in debt when they get out. They got to start at the bottom of whatever they do. They're not going to just go right into what they were doing. It'll take them years before they even make or see any money, and who knows, by then they'll probably get burnt out and quit. But the good thing about this is you can get right in 30 days you'll be making this kind of money. Forget the school, keep your money. You take the school, it's only $1,499. You're never gonna get a course that cheap. We are offering we're gonna go back to the hands-on, but the hands-on is gonna cost you guys a pretty penny, but I mean, to do it right, we gotta charge that. There's just no way around it. So it's gonna be about almost 20 grand. It's like 19,900 or something. So we're gonna be having that because so many people ask about it when we're trying to keep costs down for you by doing the one for $1,499. The thing with the $14.99 as well is it's a lifetime membership. So if you forget something or you need to, freshen your mind when you're on a job, you could actually go out to the truck, go right to, they're all labeled too. If you forgot how to reset cables, for instance, you can go right to where it says resetting cables, and you can watch a little 5 or 10 minute video on there, and it'll show you exactly how to do it. And which one to do first and all that stuff. So when you get the hands-on class, once you leave there, you're on your own. So if you want to touch it so bad, that's not going to really teach you. You got to understand how to do it and how they work. And that's what we teach you on the online class. So to me, the online class is even better, and it's a lot cheaper. So for an hour of work, I could pay for the whole class, and that's my education. You guys are paying all this money to go to college, and there's no guarantees. You got 10,000 people going to the same class all over the country. I mean, then you got to go compete for jobs and work for other people and get up early, work all day, wait for a check. Here, I already got my checks. I'm driving away. I could go cash them. I could go deposit them, do whatever I want with them. And I could, you working basically right off the truck. There's no lifting, none of that stuff. So this is a great trade. You guys should think about getting into it. If you want to learn the trade, you sign up at www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Everybody in this business that's doing it is making a lot of money. So if you want to get in this business, the real way to learn and the only way to learn is to go to garagedoortrainingschool.com. That's at www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Check them out, sign up, and it's very reasonable priced. I mean, don't even think about the price because you'll make it back in one day once you start doing repairs. All right, over and out.